Very good morning to you. Going to turn out some cattle this morning. Out to the field. Always a good time of the year this is. Come on in. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on in. Oh, they're off. Lovely to see them go. They found the gate anyway. That's the first lot out for 2025. Now we're going to get some more. Got some cows and calves going out now. They're over there having a little run around. Today's the 17th of April. Only 3 days difference to when we turned out last year. I think it's the 20th of April we turned out last year. They do forecast a lot of rain coming in tomorrow, but hopefully it won't be so bad as what we had on Tuesday. And then we're going to get another lot. Come on then. Enjoying themselves, having a run around, tails in the air. Come on, booties, come on, can't go in there. That's meant for little calves. You're a bit big for that. There you go. There you go, my booties. Come on in. Go on. There you go. Go on, there you go. Come on. Right, Dave, the next lot. Come on in. There you go. Come on in, there you go. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. And off they go. Lovely sunny day to turn them out. You do forecast rain tomorrow, but they'll be coming back in the shed tomorrow. Go on, off you go with your mates. Go on. They're not used to all the open space after being in the shed. Thank you for watching.